Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to easily set up your Fire TV stick with any TV that has an HDMI port. If you're new to streaming, don't worry. This guide will make it super simple. We'll walk you through each step. Let's dive in. Inside the box you'll find the Fire TV stick, a remote control, an HDMI extender, a USB power cable, and a power adapter. Each component plays a crucial role in the setup process. Now let's set it up. Make sure you have everything laid out and ready to go. First, locate the HDMI ports on your TV. These are usually found on the back or side of your television. If your TV has multiple ports, choose any available one. It doesn't matter which one you use, as long as it's free. Plug the Fire TV stick directly into the port, but first insert HDMI extender into Firestick and make sure it's securely connected. Next, connect the USB power cable to the Fire TV stick. This cable provides the necessary power for the device to function. Plug the other end into the power adapter and then into a wall socket. Ensure the connection is firm to avoid any power issues. If your TV has a USB port, you can also use it to power the device. This can be a convenient option if you want to reduce the number of cables running to your wall outlet. Turn on your TV and use your remote to select the HDMI input where the Fire Stick is connected. This will allow your TV to display the Fire TV interface. You should see the Fire TV setup screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair the remote, connect to Wi-Fi, and complete the initial setup. The prompts are straightforward and easy to follow. You'll need to sign in to your Amazon account. If you don't have one, you can create it during this step. Also, make sure to enter your Wi-Fi password correctly to avoid any connectivity issues. Once done, you're ready to stream. Explore the vast library of apps and content available on the Fire TV platform. That's it. Your Fire TV stick is now set up and ready to go. Enjoy the seamless streaming experience. Enjoy your favorite shows and movies. From Netflix to Prime Video, the entertainment options are endless. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and reviews.